Welcome to Intuitive Spirit Healing Arts. My name is Carla Moody and I am a certified yoga instructor. I am super excited about the potential opportunity of sharing the science and art of yoga. Yoga has many benefits. Not only does it help us with our physical body, but it enhances our energy as well as cognitive functions. What I would love to do is take you through a sample of a class. This particular class is special to me because it was actually an idea of my 7-year-old daughter. So before each class, we always start off with a warm-up. And then after the postures and after the flow, we do what's called Shavasana, which is a yoga rest. And that helps to integrate the practice that we just finished doing. So join me. Come on, stand up. Make sure you have plenty of space. And let's get started. Okay, so we're going to do a quick warm up and then I'll take you through some postures. So first, we're going to coordinate the breath with movement. We're going to stand a little bit more than hip width apart, bringing our arms down to the side of the body. Now, I know I'm talking a lot, but I would love for you to focus on breathing in and breathing out through your nose. So go ahead and bring your hands back down to the side of your body. As you inhale the arms up overhead, touch the palms. Exhale, bring the arms back down. Inhale the arms up. And exhale down. Very nice. Let's do one more set. Inhale up. And exhale down. So let's step more than hip width apart, bending at the knees. Bring the elbows up, out to the sides, and then we're going to focus on the midsection. So basically, we're just going to twist the torso around, waking up the midsection of the body as well as the spine. Let's come back to center, dropping the arms, and let's start in on our yoga flow. We're going to begin on the floor, sitting on the back of our heels. I've got my shovel and I've got my seeds. And we're going to dig into the dirt and then drop our apple seeds and cover them with the dirt and wait for the rain to begin. I think I hear it. Oh, yeah. Watering our seeds. Now we're going to press back onto our tippy toes. And now we are the seed. The sun has just come out and we will grow into a little apple tree sapling. Raise the arms up overhead as we inhale. Exhale, bring the arms back down. We're going to lean to one side. Bring the one foot on the standing leg and palms together for stability. Nice. We're going to dive our fingers down and grow our branches up high in the sky. And as the story goes, the neighborhood kids have come to share some apples. So the way we're going to show that is we're going to step out, and we're going to toss the apples, and then come back to our tree. And we're going to toss the apples and come back to our tree. Inhale the arms up, exhale, bring them down. This time lean over to the opposite side and bring the foot onto the opposite leg. Palms together for stability. Dive our fingers down and grow our branches nice and high. Nice. Finding your balance. Here come the kids for some new apples. We're going to step out, toss the apple, come back into our tree. Let's do one more. Toss the apple, come back into our tree, and now we say good night, apple tree. Nice. How do you feel? Oh, I hope wonderful. So I'm really looking forward to this potential opportunity of offering yoga to your students.